Hi everyone, we're going to find the average rate of change of the function f of t equals 1 plus cosine of t on the interval. We have two separate intervals here. And just keep in mind this is like t sub 1 comma t sub 2, like on the x-axis, on the t-axis. All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to use this formula here. Instead of x, I'm going to put t. So it's our slope formula, which is the same as the average rate of change. So it's going to be f of t sub 2 minus f of t sub 1 divided by t sub 2 minus t sub 1. And a good way to set this up is write this as change in f divided by change in x. So we're going to have for the first interval here, that's going to give you f of pi minus f of 0 divided by pi minus 0. So let's do f of pi. That's going to be 1 plus cosine of pi. And that's going to equal 1 minus negative 1. Oh, it's supposed to be plus. So that'll be plus and negative 1. So that's going to equal 0. All right. For f of 0, you're going to get 1 plus cosine of 0 is 1. So that's going to be 2. All right. So that's going to give you equal to 0 minus 2 divided by pi, which equals negative 2 divided by pi. All right, that is your average rate of change. Now, let's look at this one right here. So let's see what happens there. Same thing, we're going to write change in f divided by change in x. So this is your second one. So you do f of pi minus f of negative pi divided by pi minus a negative pi. All right, so we're going to get 1 plus cosine of pi. So that's going to, let me write this out better. We have f of pi. That's going to equal 1 plus cosine of pi, which equals 1 minus 1, which equals 0. And same thing is going to happen with f of negative pi. That's going to equal the same thing, 1 plus cosine of negative pi. Remember, cosine is an even function, so you could just change that to positive. So basically, you're just going to get 0. 0 minus 0 divided by 2 pi, which equals 0. So that's a constant horizontal line there. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.